Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can invest in Tesla using Cash App with as little as $1. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. If you don't know how to use Cash App, definitely check out some of the other videos on my channel. I have hundreds of videos and tutorials on how to use this app. What we want to do is jump to the investing section, which is the squiggly line in the tab bar. From there, we want to make sure that we're on stocks. They have stocks and Bitcoin. And with stocks, you can invest in nearly any stock with as little as $1. And it'll show your investments here, your total invested, your gains, your portfolio. So I have nothing major in here, just a little bit, mostly tech stocks. You can sort by daily percentage change, my total return, or total investment value. Just go to total investment value so you can kind of see how much I have of each. You can have a watch list, see the most traded monthly and the biggest daily movers. What we want to do, go to Tesla because that's a popular stock. We can tap on Tesla if we already own some or if it's in our watch list. If not, you can use the search feature in the top right corner and just type in Tesla and we'll go right to it. So you can see it's up 7.3% today, up 13% on the week, 20% on the month, 381% on the year. Look at that major recovery after the virus, going to new all-time highs. So a share price is now over $1,000, company valued at $187 billion. I could easily see Tesla becoming a $1 trillion company. They built and structured their company well. They have amazing technology and a ton of opportunities in all sorts of industries. So Tesla could become something much bigger than it is. You know, it's up a lot, but it still has a lot of room for growth. So in order to invest in Tesla, all you would want to do is tap the buy button. You can tap one of these preset amounts, $1, $10, $20, $50, or $100, or you can tap the three dots and type in however much you want. I'm just going to close that. Let's tap buy again. You can also set up recurring purchases. I have a video on that if you want to see exactly how. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and invest $10 in Tesla. So we'll tap 10, tap next, scan our fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details. I'll get approximately 0.01 shares. There's no fee to buy a stock on Cash App, so that's nice. I'm just going to tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased $10 more of Tesla. We're at an all-time high, so I don't know if that's a good decision or not. You might want to wait for it to dip, but who knows? It could just keep going up. These markets are pretty unpredictable, so the best strategy is just a dollar cost average in my opinion. So there you have it, how to invest in Tesla using Cash App with as little as $1. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.